If I ask you who is the most dangerous predator in the jungle, then the name of the lion or cheetah will definitely come to your mind. But apart from these two hunters, this is another hunter in the hunter's skill will leave you completely surprised. We are talking about the wild dogs that roam fiercely in the forest of the Africa. They are known to chew their prey alive. The herds that live in packs kill their prey in such a horrible way that anyone's heart trembles on seeing it. Without any delay, let us introduce you to their dangerous attack. You can't even imagine to what length these wild dogs can go to satisfy their hunger, meaning you would hardly have seen this side of hunger in any other animals. At first glance, looking this clip, you might feel that these dogs are engaged in a clean camping in the forest. But when you know this reality, then you will be shocked. Actually, these dogs are searching for their prey, even the mud. Here they find a warthog which was probably hiding there from the hunter. Seeing the warthog, all the dogs try to pull it out and tray its body. On one side there is a single warthog, and on the other side there is a whole army of a wild dogs. You must have understood who will win, although the warthog tries its best to save itself. But where so many of them are present together, it becomes impossible to escape from there, and in no time the warthog is killed. Wild dog versus cheetah. When wild dogs go out in packs to hunt, it does not matter to them which animal is in front of them. They are only concerned about their prey. If you don't believe it, then just watch this video where a wild dog approaches the fire, tear apart its flesh. After this, the cheetah scares him away from here. But this wild dog was not alone here. Rather, there was a whole team behind him who was full planning to snatch a pieces of meat from the fire. But it will not be easy for this dog to do this, because cheetah has a companion presence there who is guarding his pieces of meat. But this guarding doesn't work from long, and one of the dogs goes close to both the leopard and success in tearing off a piece of meat from them, and then they run away from there with the meat. After this, the pack of dogs steal them with great joy. Don't forget to let us know how you like the video. If you like it, be sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for the next video.